Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to show you how to transfer WhatsApp messages, photos, videos, and more from iPhone to iPhone and from iPhone to Android with the iSkysoft Toolbox-Restore Social. Let's start it now. Firstly, let's check how to transfer all of WhatsApp data from iPhone to iPhone or Android. Let's download and run the iSkysoft Toolbox on your computer. After that, please tap on Restore Social App in the toolbox. Then choose the WhatsApp option and then click on Transfer WhatsApp Messages. Next, please connect your iPhone and Android devices to a computer. Here you can select iPhone as the source device and set iPhone or Android as the target device, which depends on your needs. Here, we show you how to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Android. So let's set the Android phone as a target device. After the devices are detected, please tap on Transfer. If you have logged in Google Play account on the target device, please click Next. Otherwise, please tap on Skip to move to the next step. Your WhatsApp data on iPhone is now under transfer to your Android phone. Please wait patiently during the process and ensure the device is connected well. You will be notified with the pop-up screen when the process is complete. Part 2. How to back up and restore WhatsApp messages selectively. If you only want to transfer some specific WhatsApp data from iPhone to iPhone or Android selectively, the iSkysoft Toolbox can also help you. Now let's check how to operate it with several steps. Run iSkysoft Toolbox on your computer and connect your iPhone to PC. Select the WhatsApp option and then move on to tap on Backup WhatsApp Messages. Here the program begins to back up WhatsApp messages and files. After the backup ends, just click on View It. You will find all the backups you ever made in this page. Compared with iCloud or iTunes, the iSkysoft Toolbox will not overwrite your previous backups, which can protect your WhatsApp data all the time. Now let's choose the backup you just made and tap on Next. Here you can choose the specific WhatsApp messages by tapping on them. In this step, you can choose to restore WhatsApp to a computer or your iPhone or Android phone. Let's restore it to another new iPhone as an example here. So we need to connect another new iPhone to a computer and click on Restore to Device. After the new iPhone is detected, please tap on Restore. Find My iPhone on the device by going to Settings, Cloud, Find My iPhone on your iPhone. And firstly, please ensure you log in WhatsApp account on your target iPhone. Now the software will begin to restore WhatsApp to your iPhone. That's all. With the iSkysoft Toolbox-Restore Social app, you can transfer all or part of WhatsApp from iPhone to iPhone or Android without factory resetting your phone devices. So it can protect your data on the target device secure and intact, such as contacts, calls, videos, files, and more after transfer process is finished. In addition, you can back up WhatsApp data anytime as you wish, and the new backups will not overwrite the existing backup files.